Umgcinimafa wejikelele we-ANC uPaul Mashatile uthi ukuthi umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uveze inhloso yokwesula kulesikhundla noma cha bekungekho ohlwini lwezihloko bekuzokudingidwa kulomhlangano we-ANC ohlehlele isonto. Lokhu kusho eNazareth eGoli lapho bekufanele kube khona lomhlangano kanti uphiko lwendaba ze-SABC luxoxe namanye amalungu esigungu esiphezulu se-ANC.
The NEC in its wisdom today decided that they would like that report to be given to the officials of the ANC first. The officials must process it, convene an NWC. Once the NWC is done, we will convene the NEC, and we should do this before the 6th of December. So between tomorrow and Sunday, we will do all that. And the meeting felt, let's not discuss today. Let's adjourn to allow the officials to meet NWC and then come back. So we'll come back to the NEC before the 6th.
There's Nomvula Makonyane, the NEC member. Did your meeting collapse? It adjourned. Are you ready for it to be the DSG?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I'm attending today.
I think before Monday we'll sit the NEC and discuss the matters. But I also think President Abupege, I think he was correct to say the ANC must start to prepare the eventuality of all sides. I think now that's what has happened. I think we are really not ready. But I think by Sunday, the country, at least by Monday, when we wake up, the country will know what is the view of the ANC. The right decision is a decision that will not drag this thing until 2024. This thing must not drag until 2024. The ANC can't afford to go with this thing being either fought in court, either fought in parliament, and all that. It can't afford that. It can't afford that.
I'm not saying there's no leadership instability. From 2005, we've been having a crisis of this nature, and it has never impacted on the macroeconomic variables and stability of the economy. I've not met the president. I don't know whether he wants to resign, whether he don't want to resign. I've not spoken to the president about such issues.